सामीन से बात करते हुए वो रुक गई।
She paused while talking to the audience. She paused while talking to the audience.
आखरकार वो अलग-अलग रास्ते चले गए।
They finally went separate ways. They finally went separate ways.
मैंने हिचकिचाते हुए सवाल का जवाब दिया।
I reluctantly answered the question. I reluctantly answered the question.
टीम फाइनलस्ट होने की उम्मीद कर रही थी।
The team was hoping to be a finalist. The team was hoping to be a finalist.
बस हर रोज आपको दिए गए कामों को मुकम्मल करते रहिए।
Just keep completing the tasks given to you each day. Just keep completing the tasks given to you each day.
वो सीढ़ियों से नीचे गिरा और इसकी रीढ़ की हड्डी में चोट आई।
He fell down the stairs and hurt his spine. He fell down the stairs and hurt his spine.
लड़के एक से ज्यादा बार पकड़े जा चुके हैं।
The boys have been caught more than once. The boys have been caught more than once.
मैं अब भी हजम करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि क्या हुआ।
I am still trying to digest what happened. I am still trying to digest what happened.
आप कम अज कम खुश नजर आने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं।
You can at least try looking happy. You can at least try looking happy.
उसे उस झूठ से नफरत थी जो उन्होंने उससे कहा था।
He hated the lie that they told him. He hated the lie that they told him.